Hi guys, welcome to Java Space. Today we are going to look at monitoring and observability of Spring applications. But before we dive into Spring specific monitoring and observability, I want us to look at monitoring and observability as a whole. So monitoring and observability are often used interchangeably, but there are key differences that you should know between these two. First, when we talk about monitoring, we are just saying, tell us that something is wrong. We are just capturing and displaying data. That's about monitoring. While observability goes beyond that, we're saying, on top of telling us what's happening, now we want to know why is it happening and how to fix it. So this means that now you can discern system self, you analyze its input and output. So when a system is observable, a user can identify the root cause of a problem just by looking at the data it produces, just by looking at the output, just by looking at the logs and other things that we will uh, talk about as we proceed with the application without having. So basically, we are saying you look at the output data without you having to do additional testing, without you having to do additional coding. All this information is just available to you instantly. Then we say that system is observable. So the question now arises, why bother about monitoring? Why bother observing your system? So it is one thing to develop a good, robust system, but it is another thing to monitor and observe that system. So as a developer, many times we are just concerned with coding without, coding, writing good code, but we never really give time to look into this essential aspect, which is monitoring your application, observing that application. And at the end of the day, you want to produce reports. You want to detect errors. You want to know the root cause of errors. And you want to quickly recover from those errors. You want to reduce, downtime. That's the essential, purpose of observability. We don't want the system is down. We don't know what causes that, and we are busy investigating. We spend a long time, whereas we could have, from the ground up, built our system with observability uh, in mind.